of this video is to show customers how to download the IHT software. After logging into your IHT system, click on the dashboard hyperlink. Under quick links, go to the third bullet, download Spirit software. It will appear in the left-hand corner. Before we start the IHT setup for the installation of the software, if your file is still in a zip file, please extract all so that you get an icon that looks just like my computer. And then before we right click on this icon, I want to make sure that everybody has the reader away from or out of the USB port. Please do not plug in the reader during the installation. It's very important that the reader is not in the USB port. Okay, so now I'm going to right click where it says IHT Setup. I'm going to click on Open. This will take a few seconds and it's going to open up the setup. It's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes. Then I'll take a few more seconds here. Then you're going to get a pop-up that says checking NFC port software. You want to click next. There will be two different windows that pop up. Then you want to accept the terms and the license. Click next again. And then the installation of the NFC port. What the NFC port is, it is the reader that allows the monitors to connect and communicate with your computer during the time that we're using the desktop application during class time, to pick up the monitors and to return the monitors. Then you're going to have another window that should pop up, and it should say IHT Spirit Setup Checkin.net Framework Installation. After it checks that installation, which will take a few seconds, the next window, you are going to click next, and it's going to start setting up the IHT shortcut. So click next again, and confirm it. Then it will install it, and then installation complete. Then it says this system must be restarted. I am going to have to shut down my computer and restart it.